everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a barcode on Chime. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to access your particular app on your mobile phone, and then on the home section you're gonna find this kind of interface with information of your accounts details, right? So if you would like to simplify the barcode, the first step is simply for you to tap on this move money option, which is given just beside the home icon, just right over here, right? So once you have tapped on the move money option, it will simply add in the add money to Chime option on top, which includes the option of deposit cash. Once you have tapped on the deposit cash, it will simply show you to how to deposit cash, right? You can bring your cash to retailer, which is the option, or you hand your cash on Chime debit card to the cashier, or start swiping, saving and smiling, etc. For that, you simply gotta go ahead, tap on the see location near me below. It will simply access the location of yours and simply show you the branches of the Chime nearby, right? So for that, now you will wonder how we can access the barcode. The thing is that you do not need barcode for you anymore. You just gotta tap on the any particular nearby location for you where you would like to deposit, which is close. Tap on it. Now it will show you the ways how you can do it, or how you can reach them, when it's gonna close, when it's gonna open. You can go to them with your debit card and cash in hand with the information. Simply gonna go there and hand them to your cash and for verification your debit card, and they will simply deposit the money to your Chime account. That is the simplest way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.